Hello and welcome to REGO-FIX Tech Chat. My name is David McHenry. I am the Engineering and Technical Manager here at REGO-FIX USA. Today, we want to expand on our EMO 2023 Tech Chat. We want to spend a few minutes and show you the PG single. The powRgrip system has been around for quite a while, and almost everybody is familiar with the standard PGU and the PG hand pump. Now, both of these allow you to have interchangeable dies. They allow you to have a range of collets. So the PG compact or the hand pump from PG6 up to PG25. The PGU, well, that's PG6 all the way through PG32 and up to 1 inch. But the new brother to the family is the PG single. And this unit is made to give you one series of powRgrip. Because what we've learned over all the years of selling powRgrip is that in some cases, one series is all that's needed to do the work in a shop. The PG single is made for very easy operation. It has one button for press in or pull out. It has a door handle to open and close the fixture, and you have a simple pull pin just like the compact unit to rotate from press in to pull out. So let's do a demo and show you how it works. So to demo the powRgrip machine, or the PG single, let's get our tool holder with cutting tool, collet, and tool holder. Let's open the door handle. Let's take our tool holder, and just like the other machines, we're going to take this groove on the tool holder and put it on the lip inside of the PG single. I'm going to close the fixture, and all I have to do now is push the button. I push the button, and you're going to see just how fast the powRgrip single is. It is already done. I'm now ready to go straight to my CNC machine or my tooling cart. My tool change is finished. Now, what about taking this back out? Well, that's pretty simple too. We're going to close the head. We're going to rotate the head to the out position. We're going to open the head again and put that same groove on the lip here on the bottom. Close the head and push the button. The PG single only takes about 5 seconds to press in or pull out, so it's very, very quick and efficient. So very easy to use. This current version of the PG single is a PG25, and the PG single will grow into PG15 and into PG10 over the 2024 year. The PG single that you see here in PG Series 25 will be available in the first quarter 2024. In wrapping up the demonstration of the PG single 25 unit, let's talk about power requirements, unit weight, and how much space do I need on my table. So the really nice thing about the PG single is it works off the same power structure as the PGUs. The PG singles will be available from 100 volts all the way up to 230. Just make sure you request the correct one when you're ordering. When it comes to the weight of the unit, they are fairly light. They only weigh about 100 pounds, so it's a big difference from the PGU to the PG single, which means it's very easy to move. But just in case you don't want to pick it up, it does come with an eyelet on the head up here, so you can pick the unit up with your crane, engine hoist, or whatever else to make it easy to move. As far as size requirements, well, it is smaller than the PGU, so it doesn't take up a whole lot of table space. So it makes it easy and convenient to place wherever you want to use it. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to reach out to your REGO-FIX technical team. We are here to help and answer your questions.